Hello everyone from Certec. Today we present the new direct printing system on Fabric's I-DTG 2. The printer uses the latest generation of inkjet heads with 4 nozzle channels and a print size of 2 inches each, and the heads are mounted in a staggered position about 15 cm. Therefore, with the SIMYK color configuration in one head and full white in the other, after a few centimeters of delay, white and color will be printed simultaneously. In fact, this configuration allowed to obtain a productivity up to 40 light t-shirt and 30 dark t-shirt per hour in A3 Plus format. Equipped with a white recirculation system to avoid color sedimentation and the white RIP software, Certec's native RIP, with specific functions for direct printing such as self-generation of white layer, easy positioning of the graphics, management of background color of the fabric, and many other special functions. The two pallets of 40 by 50 cm each work alternatively to allow continuous production, as the operator has time to position the next t-shirt while the first is on printing and vice versa. Since the 40 by 50 pallets are already larger than the other printers in these categories, it's also possible to mount a single big pallet to be able to print a size up to 90 by 50 cm. In addition, thanks to 10 cm excursion of the z-axis of the printing surface, and with the use of special jigs, it is possible to print shoes, sweatshirts, jackets and jeans. The water-based ink are equipped with all the necessary certification for printing on fabric. They have an incidence of 10 cents on light garment and less than 50 cents on dark garments. I-DTG 2, ideal for the on-demand t-shirt printer who guarantees the production and quality level on the high-test standard.